So now we're going to look at the quotient rule, how to differentiate using the quotient rule. So you can see here we have a couple of examples. The quotient rule is needed when you have one function divided by another. Then we need to use what's called the quotient rule. And the formula for the quotient rule is this. If y is equals to u divided by v, then dy dx will equal v times du dx minus u times dv dx all over v squared. So this is the quotient rule. So I will go through this example here, question 10. Y is equals to 6x minus 3 over 2x minus 5. Y is equals to 6x minus 3 over 2x minus 5. So similar to the product rule, we need to label u and v. So u is what's on top, u is equals to 6x minus 3. V is what's on the bottom, v is equals to 2x minus 5. Du dx is what we get when we differentiate u, and that is going to be 6. dv dx is what we get when we differentiate v, and that's going to be 2. So then fill it into the formula. dy dx is v times du dx minus u times dv dx all over v squared. So dy dx is v times du dx, so that's 2x minus 5 times 6 minus u times dv dx minus 6x minus 3 times 2 all over v squared all over 2x minus 5 to b squared. So when we tidy this up, we're just going to have to multiply it all out and see what we get. So 6 by 2x minus 5, so dy dx is equals to, so 6 by 2x minus 5, so that's 12x minus 30. Here's where we got to be careful then, minus 2 by 6x minus 3, and it's very important to remember that this minus applies to everything here. So this minus sign will also affect this minus sign right here. So we're going to have minus 2 by 6x will be minus 12x, and minus 2 by minus 3, the minus by minus will be a plus there. Okay, so minus 12x plus 6, minus 12x plus 6 all over, and then the bottom squared, 2x minus 5 to be squared. You can square this out if you like, but usually we don't bother. So all over 2x minus 5 to be squared. So therefore dy dx is equals to 12x, take 12x, there's no x, minus 30 plus 6, minus 24 all over 2x minus 5 to be squared. And the main thing there was, especially this plus came as a result of the minus multiplied by the minus there. We have to be very careful with that minus by that minus. Minus 3 by 2 gave me that plus 6 there. That's where we have to be very careful. Apart from that, it is a fairly straightforward rule, the quotient rule, to be used when you have one function divided by another. The best thing for you guys to do now is practice these questions, keep an eye on your solutions, and for access to questions, solutions, graded quizzes and more, visit www.limbymaths.com.